Is there anything better than fresh, homemade, gooey, spicy apple pie? I don't think so. It is such a classic dessert, and it happens to be stop number 33 on my state dessert tour, making all the state desserts. So let me know in the comments what state you think has apple pie as the state dessert. And just a hint, the apple is the state fruit for this state. So let me know in the comments what your guess is, and stick around to the end of the video to find out which state this is. The full recipe is in the description, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes.
We're gonna get started by peeling some apples. I'm just using Fuji. I think these work great in apple pie. So I've peeled them, I've cored them, and then I'm just doing a nice dice like this. We're gonna add in some granulated sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, and cloves, along with some salt, flour, and the zest of a lemon, and a squeeze of that lemon juice. Once all the apples are nicely coated in all of that mixture, we're just gonna get our crust ready. This is just a basic pie crust in a 9-inch pie pan. We're gonna add in our filling and dot some butter, however much you can use to cover the surface of the apples like that. Gonna do a top layer of pie crust, just trimming and crimping until it is nice and neat, doing that classic little indentation on top and brushing with egg wash. This gets baked at 375 for 20 minutes, lower the temp to 350 for another 45 to 50, and it's golden brown, it's spicy, it is delicious.
So an apple pie is really not hard to make. It's important to give it love and attention, make sure that crust is good, and just season the filling however you like. You can alter the spices, add in some orange, take away whatever you want to really make it your own. If you guessed in the comments what state this is, it is Vermont. I'm just gonna try a little piece of apple here. It's still hot, but it's so good. I've been making this apple pie recipe, which is my own, for quite some time, and people always love it. Such a good balance of spices. None of them are overwhelming. They all just really marry together. The lemon brightens everything up. It's got that nice gooey set texture. Utterly delicious. Once again, recipe is in the description for you to try this at home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.